Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today you might remember the iPhone 11 Pro unboxing, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but here is the iPhone 11 unboxing. So this is the box. It looks really nice. I'm not going to show you the back because it has barcodes and stuff, but there's a 64 gig and it's the iPhone 11 Pro. No, not Pro, iPhone 11 Lavender. So here we are. I'm gonna unbox it right here. Pull off the wrapper, and then pull that off. Whoa, that looks really good. So here's the iPhone 11 Lavender. Alright, let's hear that satisfying noise. And there's nothing on the back. So, there is one thing though. So, on the iPhone 11 Pro, this is this kind of glass, which is the more like rough glass, would be here, and then this would be glossy. But it's switched on the iPhone 11, so this one is more like glossy, and this one is the rough one. So now moving on to the inside, which is the box. So you have all this designed by Apple in California. They still have the Apple stickers, thank God. Then you have your what would be fingertips, but it's not fingertips anymore. But yeah, that's how to use it and stuff. Your SIM card thing, slot. So now I'm gonna put everything back in this. Okay. Alright. And then this part goes in here. So I'm only gonna turn on the phone. I'm not gonna set it up because it's not mine. It's nothing really that special, but you do see the Apple logo. You do have your AirPods, unlike the new iPhone 12. Oh, I think they still have it, but you no longer have one of these, which the iPhone 11 does have this, the slow charging brick. And then here it is on, still the same setup, like it should be. But yeah, that's pretty much the phone. And there's nothing that special, but it's just a little bit different. So yeah, that's the iPhone 11 unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.